holy moly, I am still coming off a high from Slay the Spray 2023. If you have not heard of it, join me. Let me take you on a little journey. Hello and welcome to Impressive Glow. My name is Gina. I am the owner and educator of Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, where my ultimate mission is to help women, moms, single moms learn how to start a side hustle as either a spray tan or teeth whitening technician and to build some financial independence in that process. All right, if you are new to the spray tan industry, or if you're a seasoned spray tan artist who has just been living under a rock for the last couple years, you may not have heard of Slay the Spray. This is an annual spray tan experience, not a conference, but this is an experience where spray tan artists from all over the world come together and love on each other. Let's talk about my experience at Slay the Spray 2023. So if you are watching this video, I'm gonna assume you are familiar with the spray tan industry. And if you are, I'm also going to assume that you are familiar with Kelly Callaghan, the GOAT of all things spray tanning, right? Kelly Callaghan is associated with XTan, Sunless, Obsidian Spray Tan Solutions, Spray Tan Class, like literally everything that has to do with the spray tan industry, who also happens to be my personal mentor and trainer when I originally started spray tanning 5 years ago. I have watched Kelly in the last 5 years pour her heart and soul into building a community for spray tan artists. And in the last few years, she has done that with Slay the Spray. And this year, I was not only invited to come and experience it, I was actually also asked to speak. So this year, luckily enough, Slay the Spray 2023 was held at the LAX Hilton down in at the LAX Hilton. That is not how I want to say that. Oh my God. So luckily enough for me, Slay the Spray 2023 was held in Los Angeles, which is only about an hour and a half south of me, but literally took me 3 hours to get there because we love LA traffic. But what was so fun is Slay the Spray actually kicked off Friday morning with all of these wonderful training opportunities. Kelly's Spray Tan Class Beginner course, the Master course, Liquid Sunrays did a competition spray tan training, which is absolutely phenomenal. And then Friday night, we got to kick off with a cocktail hour, or cocktail party, which was so much fun because we got to act like celebrities. And I actually got to have like some celebrity moments because a lot of you that watch me on YouTube came up to me and said, oh my God, I watch all your YouTube videos. And it was the most humbling experience that I probably ever had in my life, but it was so much fun. If you bring your husbands to these events, I highly suggest you do, because there's not a lot of times where I get to dress up with my husband and be in a beautiful gown and feel beautiful. So definitely, if you can bring your husbands to these events, I definitely suggest it. So day one of Slay the Spray actually started off with me. Can you believe it? Little old me was asked to speak at Slay the Spray, which is absolutely amazing. I was definitely very nervous. I've done some small speaking engagements, but definitely nothing like over 200 other spray tan artists who may have been in the game longer than I have. But what I got to talk about and what I got to share at Slay the Spray was all about the client experience, which I am so happy that that topic was something that I got to speak about, because I really feel like a lot of the YouTube videos that I put out, a lot of the content that I put out on my social media, whether it be Instagram or TikTok or any of the places, because you guys know I'm everywhere, has a lot to do with client experience, because the only thing that we really can control is how we make our clients feel, right? But the day did not stop there. We had so many other amazing guest speakers. Brielle Camiolo from Philadelphia, I believe, talked all things mobile spray tanning. Chrissy LaRue got to speak all about everything contouring, which was a phenomenal speaking that we got to talk about. We had a panel together. We got to talk. Then at the end of day two, we got to meet and speak to celebrity spray tan artists like Jimmy Jimmy Coco, Fabiola Trujillo, who spray tan people like J-Lo and freaking all the models at Miami Swim Week and all these amazing, beautiful celebrity spray tanners. Was so much fun to really kind of get some tips and tricks from them. Then Sunday rounded out with a lot of business work and business talk. It actually started with Julie Hagan, and we got to talk about the anxieties of owning a business, learning how to do breath work and how to deal with that, which did me really well. Then we got to talk to Grant Conscious from Happy Tans, all about lead generation and conversion, which is all the technical stuff that a lot of times is very intimidating for spray tan artists who are really just here to spray tan, but you have to get the technical sides of your business down pat. So Grant did a great job on that conversation. And then closing out the conference or the experience was Kelly and all these great tips and tricks that we got to learn about training and all of the opportunities outside of just spray tanning that there are to be able to make income in your business, which was absolutely phenomenal. So let me explain to you why an experience like this is so crucial for your business success and growth. Owning a business, a beauty business, and something so niche down as being a spray tan artist and owning a spray tan business can be extremely lonely. We are the ones that deal with the stress. We're doing the research on how to grow our businesses. We're servicing, we're cleaning, we're doing the laundry. Like, it is stressful, and it can be a very lonely type of service-based business. So having an experience like Slay the Spray really allows us to come together once a year, love on each other, and we have great ways of doing that on spray tan forum groups on Facebook or loving up on each other on Instagram, but there is nothing like wrapping your arms around somebody who truly understands all of the struggles you go through on a daily basis, because she struggles with the same exact thing. Being able to have conversations that you may not be able to have with your husband, you may not be able to have with your family and your friends. Being able to be somewhere where you can just say something about a solution and people get it. Like, they understand the ideas of working with clients. They understand missing the inside of a thigh when you're doing a spray tan. But to be able to have that sense of community is going to help you go home, alleviate some of the self-doubt, take some of the tips, take some of the tricks, and just continue to grow a successful spray tan business. So if you can get to Slay the Spray 2024, because I know that Kelly and her friends and her homegirls are already in the process of scheduling and planning out next year's Slay the Spray 2024, which I hear is in Nashville. Amazing. If you can get there, please make sure you're there. I will not miss another event. www.slaythespray2024. Check out all the information and make sure you meet us in Nashville next year. Come and hug me. Come and tell me if you watch me. Let me know about your business. I cannot wait to meet all of you guys. Thank you again to Kelly Spray Tan Class and all of the helpers that she had run this spectacular experience called Slay the Spray. I'll see you guys next year.